Hey! So, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. Ooh, I'm ashy. I took a shower today and I had to go drop my mom off for work, and I jumped out the shower and I ain't put no lotion on, so don't judge me. So yeah, let's get into the videos. The Pods cream, it helps me so much. Hold on a second, cause I could see this braid was trying to come for my life today. And my Bliss Deck's finished like right in front of my eyes this morning, so I'm just gonna moisturize my lips with some like A&D ointment. Dead almost put my spoolie inside of the damn. I need to do my eyebrows. Like, it's not even a joke. I'm using my MAC angled 266 brush. I'm gonna just move the mirror up a little bit because, you know, your girl wear glasses and I can't see, okay? Going to be priming my face with the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer. I'm almost finished, so that's why I'm like squeezing it out like this. And I only put it on my forehead and nose because that's really the only places that I get oily. So I'm grabbing this white shimmery color and this gold color for my brow bone. That everywhere on my upper lid as my transition. I take this deeper red and this burgundy-ish brown color just for a little more depth and definition. Go into this like I'm going to go into this like purpley wine color. I'm gonna mix it a little bit with the black just for the outer corners. We're giving illusions. We're giving smoky feel, a burnt barbecue patty, right? And I'm just going to lighten up that section and just bring that color back. I'm going to go in with liquid eyeshadows. It's made by Nika. I'm gonna call you Nika Girl. This from like your local beauty supply store if they have it. Okay. Just not to waste time, I basically finished this eye. After I let this dry, and I just applied another layer, let that dry, apply another layer, let that dry. To finish up the eyes, I'm going to line my eyes. Alrighty, so moving on to my face to color correct with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. Taking the orange. Yeah, Revlon color stand. I love this foundation so freaking much. I'm gonna go ahead and find a denser brush just to give me a more full coverage look. It oxidizes into my skin and it's a little darker when it dries, so. Fawn. So with a damp, clean beauty blender, I'm going to blend out my face. Go ahead and set my concealer with the Cover Effects. Teary eyes. Moving forward. And this is a powder brush from Real Techniques. I love their brushes because they're so high quality. I've never had them shed on me, and they last super long and put your makeup on. So I'm gonna go in with some blush, and I'm using Film Noir from MAC. Going in with Raisin, the apples of my cheeks. My favorite part, highlighter. These are my favorite highlighters. I always use them. They go great together. I love packing them on one after the next. Using a like teardrop brush, it just applies it so much better. Allows you to have more control over where it, yes, highlight. So if you want to like stop there and be a lame, you could, but so to finish up the under eye, I'm going back into my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm grabbing that first red color that we put down. Ooh. Finish off with some mascara. Make them pop a little. See? Run line my lips with a brown lip pencil. I'm gonna go into my Fenty palette. I'm gonna grab this like frosty blue here. I'm going in with this liquid lipstick. This is actually from Juno Co. Again. It's called Ashton. This is Tarte's, I don't know what this is. It's a lip paint. And it's called Birthday Suit.